stop whatever you're doing now, because this video you're about to watch will change your earning potential forever if you follow what you're about to see step by step. We have never talked about this method before on my channel, so this is a brand new method. So make sure after watching this video you start implementing this method to make your earning potential rise up. I will be rewarding 5 people that leave an inspiring comment in this video, and also click the like button. When the like button reaches 1,000, I will reward 5 people with the amount of $10. Alright, and if you haven't, do something good for yourself and subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this where I show you new methods on how to make money online, you will be notified, and in this way you will be the first one to use this method to earn money online for yourself. This is going to be the platform we're going to use on today's step-by-step tutorial, but you see they have trusted score from 4.6 and they have over 2,000 reviews. Before we go to this platform to earn money, we have to go to Quora to set some things up. Okay, so listen carefully guys. Quora is a social media platform where people ask questions and get answer for question. Okay, but this is free worldwide. This step that I'm going to be showing you, it is also worldwide free. Okay, no matter where you come from, you can use this method to earn money online. But the first step what we're going to be doing is that we want to go to Quora and create a space. We want to go up here and click the spaces. Okay, we want to create spaces, so we're going to click on it. Okay, make sure you stick to this video to the end so you can understand how we're going to be using this step to earn money for yourself. Okay, all right, the first step now, we go to Quora and click on spaces. Okay, and click on see all spaces. Now we can see that there are 2 buttons up here where we can create our spaces, and the second one is discover spaces. But what we want to do here is that we want to create spaces, so we're going to click on create spaces. A spaces is like a group. Okay, it's more or less like a group where people can find question and answer of their problem, okay, of what they are looking for. In this way we are solving problem for people out there. Okay, we have to decide on what type of niches you want to go about. Okay, but for this video sake, I will use the top niches worldwide, which is weight loss. So we have to create something about losing weight. Okay, so if you are on making money online niche, you want to create something related to that. If you are on football, so you want to make the name of your niche, your space, be related to football. Or we want to create a niche for weight loss, so we can call it effective ways to burn fat. So in this description you can write something like this. Now this is to helping people get fit. After writing all this, we click on create, so we can skip this. Okay, and now we need to start creating question and answer. I will show you now the next step where we're going to be finding free articles to start posting. All right, now we have already created this space / groups. Okay, so first of all, let me show you Quora on the internet. They have 504 million views every month. Okay, every month they have 500 million views. No matter where you come from, you can use Quora, but the most country using that, the top countries are United States, India, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia. So if you follow this method to the end, you will see it's going to make sense how we're going to be neutralizing this platform to make money for ourselves. Okay, we're going to be using the power of this platform to earn money for ourselves. So now we go back to Quora. As we see, we already created these spaces, okay, and it's based on weight loss. So now we have to start creating question and answer. So this will take me now to the next platform, which is called PLR. PLR.com. The PLR means private label right. This is where we're going to be getting free articles to post on our Quora space. This is very important, okay? We need to go and create articles now on our space, on our Quora space. We're going to be posting question and we're going to post answer also with it. So on this platform, it's a private label article. You can resell it. You have the right to resell it, and you have the right to reuse it. Okay, on the right hand side here of this platform, you see there are all these PRL article categories that you can choose from. We have AdSense, we have auctions, we have baby articles, we have biking, boats, cigars, coffee, and what we are looking for is something about lose weight. So we're going to go all the way down to find something with weight loss. Here we find weight loss, so we're going to click on weight loss to see articles on weight loss that we can use on our post. As you can see, the articles also have reviews. Okay, so what we're going to do, I will just use these as an example. So easy to follow weight loss tips. When I click on this, we're going to see all these articles, guys, and these are articles that we can reuse. We have the right to reuse it. Okay, so what we want to do, the name is easy to follow weight loss. So we want to go back to Quora and create a question. So now we create the question. Okay, what are the best tips to lose weight? We're going to ask. So we ask this question now, and we're going to click answer. So we go back to PLR.com and copy these articles here, guys. We're going to copy these articles and we go back to answer and we're going to paste it. So we're going to paste the answer here. Okay, we can just we can just make some different changes here. Okay, so as you see, this looks professional, guys. So we have the articles already here. We can just post it like that. So now we see how to write question and answer on Quora. So many people are going to find this question and answer on Google when they are looking for tips on how to lose weight. Okay, because Quora is a one platform that everybody uses everywhere, like Facebook. Quora is just a type of social media that you can find answers to questions that you have. Okay, when you have a question, it means you have a problem that you would like to solve. So in this way, we are solving problem, and that is why it's a very effective way. That's why we jump into this method and use it to earn money for us. Okay, so now we've seen how to post question on our spaces or / group on Quora, and where to find answers to this question, which is totally free. You don't need any investment for these, guys. So now that we already know how to post question and answer, and also know how to create spaces on Quora, okay, / group. So now the next thing is that we want to start looking for product to promote, which is going to earn us money. Okay, so we want to go to digits.24.com. This is worldwide free. Okay, it's more or less like ClickBank, but ClickBank is not free everywhere. Okay, for example, ClickBank is not free in Africa, but Digistore is free worldwide. No matter where you come from, you can use Digistore. All you need to do is just go up here and click on register now and follow the registration process and verify your email address, and you are ready to use digistore24.com. Okay, so now I've logged into my account. We want to go to marketplace. Okay, so now we are in the marketplace, guys. What we want to now do is that we want to search for products in lose weight niche. Okay, at the left hand side here, there are different categories that we can choose product from, okay, to promote. So we'll find something like a fitness and health. We click on it. So here we're going to look for something like lose weight. Alright guys, this is a very good fit for what we want to promote. As you can see, it's about fat burning, okay, home workout and diet, and this is very good. And this, in this pandemic period, most people, I mean, most fitness center are not open. Like in my country, the fitness center are not open, so people want to lose weight at home. They want to know how to go about it at home, I mean indoor. This is why I choose this product. You can earn up to 75% commission, okay, at least. It means starting from 10 euros. So Digistore is a German platform. This is why it's in euros, but if you turn that to dollar, they will be around something like $14 to $15. Also, you can see here that after the 10 sales, you're going to get 75 US dollar, and it even gets more than that. You can easily generate 200 to 1,500 weekly with promoting this program. All you need to do is just click on promote now, and we're going to get the link here. Okay, this will be our affiliate link. What we just want to do is to copy our affiliate link, and then go to Bitly, and we go down here and insert our affiliate link here and click shorten. Okay, so now we've shortened our URL, our affiliate link. So now we can copy, and then we go back to Quora and look for another post to post. Okay, I mean another question that we're going to post on our Quora Spaces. So let's just create another question and answer, because the more question and answer you post, the more people are going to have the advantage to see this on search engines. So we go to click on questions, go up here and click on questions. All right, and we are going to create another question post. Okay, then we go back to plr.com to find articles that we're going to be posting on our Quora Spaces. So we can click this first one, the lowdown on diet comparison, and we have these articles here that we can use on our Quora, which is free for us to use. So what we want to do now is that we want to look for question that is going to fit this answer, the lowdown on diet comparison. What I'm just going to do is go back to Quora and write, how can high low down on diet. So I'll write something like, how can I low down on diet, and click ask. So now we already post the question. Now we click on answer. Okay, now it's going to make sense, guys. We click on answer, we go back to plr.com and copy these articles here about the lowdown on diet comparison, and copy it and go back to Quora and paste it here. All right, so this is where it's going to make sense. So we can just go here and write something like, this product has helped me a lot in losing weight. So we can make something like a arrow here. So we now insert our affiliate link here. So we go back to Bitly to go copy our affiliate links that we've already shortened. We're going to copy it, and we go back to our Quora Spaces question and answer that we've created. We now add these affiliate links here, okay, to the article before posting this article. So now we see the affiliate link is already here. We can post it like 2 times. Okay, so we copy this, copy, so we can post it like 2 to 3 different times in this article. Okay, and when people take actions on this link, we're going to get paid for it, guys. And what I love in this kind of method is that this post is going to be there for life. It means that we're going to be earning money again and again and again and again on this method, guys. This is so easy. After inserting your affiliate links on it, you just go down and click on the post, okay, and this will be there out there. Everybody can see it every time, okay. When people are searching for ways to lose weight or for diet tips on Google, will show, okay, your coral space will show on Google, and they will join your groups, okay, your spaces slash group. You have the advantage to show them many affiliate links on what is going to solve their problem. When they take action, you will get money for that each time and every time. So this is a very good method to earn money as an affiliate marketer online for free. Okay, this is a very free way to earn money online as an affiliate marketer. What you just need to do is you need to put the time in it to start posting different question and answer, and also putting your affiliate links on it. So when people take actions, you are going to get paid for it. This is a very simple method that you can do worldwide, and it is totally free. You don't need any investment in this. It is free worldwide. All right. And if you know that you gain much value on this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget, I'm going to be rewarding 5 people that leave an inspiring comment in this video, guys. Okay, when this video hits 1,000 likes, I'm going to pick them and I'm going to reward them with $10 each. All right, so make sure you take action after watching this video, and also if you haven't, please subscribe to this channel and also press the notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you will be notified. Okay, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want to earn even more money online, go to the first link in my description and go check it out. Like always, thank you for watching this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.